Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE V20, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up settings. From here, just lower the brightness. So from here, you want to scroll all the way down to System, then tap on Advanced, where you'll find Reset Options. And in here you'll find Erase All Data Factory Reset. When you click on it, it gives a message that performing this removes everything that is listed right here. So if you would like to keep any of this, these data that are listed right here, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, it will be lost permanently. Now, assuming you have already made the backup or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed by selecting Erase All Data, then once more, and this will begin the factory reset of your device. This process should take probably like 2 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.